like my father would talk like this. You know, parole de no. You know,
Yeah.
You know, all those
Yeah, it's a
little
gesture,
details.
the hands,
The gestures, the hand gestures, the facial expression.
Yeah.
It's the same thing when you do the Zias. You can do it all like this, but when the Zias, you get the hands and this up.
Yeah.
So that's if you don't have that, you have to have that to add on to that character, to add on
The
to the
inflections.
the inflections, the face, the disgust. I thought you got the whole
That was
face.
my
Like,
father's perpetual face for me.
it's like,
Yeah.
like something smells in the room.
Constipated.
Yeah.
It's just always angry.
Dad, let's go camping. Camping? What's camping? I break my ass up from my house, and now you want me to go out to the mountain? Get the fuck out.
I moved from the mountains. Now I gotta go back up.
I gotta back up the
I submit it on